ওঠো ওঠো, জাগো জাগো, নিজে জেগে অপরকে জাগা।
The world's parliament of religions has become an accomplished fact, and the merciful Father had helped those who labored to bring it into existence and crowned with success their most unselfish labor. My thanks to those noble souls whose large hearts and love of truth first dreamed this wonderful dream and then realized it. My thanks to the shower of liberal sentiments that had overflowed this platform. My thanks to those enlightened audience for their uniform kindness to me and for their appreciation of every thought that tends to smooth the friction of religions.